Hi guys, if the YouTube links is opening in a new window on Chrome like this, then let's see how to fix it. To prevent Google Chrome from opening the new window when you click on YouTube links, first of all, open a new tab on your Chrome browser. And now in the address bar, simply type Chrome apps. Here it is. And then press enter. And now from the list of applications, find YouTube. Here it is. Then simply right click on it. And then select app settings. And now on the YouTube app settings, simply disable the option Open Edge window. So simply turn it off. And once you turn it off, scroll down and select the option Open in Chrome browser. So simply select it. And once you have disabled the option Open Edge window and selected the option Open in Chrome browser, from now on, Google Chrome will stop opening YouTube links in a new window. Let's check it. Go back to the search and let's click on any YouTube link. And you can see now the YouTube link is opening in the same window. You can see. So that's it guys. This is how you can easily fix and stop YouTube links from opening in new window on Chrome browser. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel.